Well, good morning from another day in paradise. If you haven't seen the last video, we are currently in northern Thailand, and we've just left a little town this morning called Pai, which is sort of up in the mountains in northern Thailand. We went to Pai about 5 years ago, I suppose, and it's certainly changed a bit from when we were there last. I felt a bit old, to be honest. It's definitely a young person hangout these days. I used to have a really cool sort of reggae vibe, and real
just laid back,
very
old hippie
yeah,
type.
it was very laid back. Where these days it's full of young people,
Shirts off.
all with their shirts off.
Yeah.
The girls walking around in bikinis.
Yeah.
Which sounds all fine, but it's not
Respectful.
in keeping with the culture here. So.
Yeah.
And we're 1,000 kilometres from the beach here as well, so maybe a time and a place for that, but it's not in Pai really.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we left Pai this morning, and if you're a motorcyclist, do come up and do this road. I'm sure you will absolutely love it. It's 762 corners between here and between Pai and Chiang Mai, and that is all part of the Mae Hong Song loop if you wanted to do the whole thing.
And some of the switchbacks are quite tight as well. Yeah.
Honestly, it was buttery smooth tar seal, corner after corner after corner after corner. Just heaven. It was fantastic. Now, if I look all sweaty and hot,
I don't.
Yeah, I am, because I forgot through the intro to this video, and so I've already done some filming and realised I haven't done it, so I'm doing it now after climbing a lot of steps. So I am hot and sweaty. So we're currently here at, what's the name of this place? It's called
Ban Bao, is it? No.
Hang on, I'm waiting for people to move so I can read the sign.
Bua Waterfall. Bua Tong
Waterfall.
Waterfall.
So I'll start that again. So we're currently here at the Bua Tong Waterfall, which is also commonly known as the Sticky Waterfall, and it gets its name because where the water comes down is all lime and calcium or whatever. Yeah, it's calcium deposits. So the whole waterfall is sort of running over white, sort of creamy coloured calcium. So you can basically walk straight up the waterfall. It's got a lot of grip in the stones and everything, so it's become quite a tourist attraction here as well. So
they do provide ropes, obviously, because it can be quite steep, and possibly some people have slipped, but yeah, generally you could just walk up hands free.
Yeah. So anyway, I've been down and filmed that. I didn't walk up, but I got my shoes and pack and everything with me, so I didn't do that. I filmed a few other people doing it so you can see. But but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch up with you a bit later on. Yeah, so you can see the people in the distance over there, just able to walk straight up the waterfall. Carry on down the bottom and have a look down there. Wow, yeah, that really is very sticky. Certainly a lot of grip on it. Wow. I don't like snakes. Wow, that's amazing. It's just all like calcium deposits. So I've got all my shoes and everything on, so I'm not going to climb up the waterfall, but I just wanted to come here and give you a bit of a look at it as another option for a trip out of Chiang Mai for the day. It's only about an hour's ride north of Chiang Mai, so not very far at all. So jump on your scooter and come out here. It would be amazing on a nice hot day. Wow, isn't that fantastic? Beautiful. Very cool. Wow. There's a lot of stairs, especially when you've got a pack on your back and you're getting old. Whew. Things I do to bring you guys a video, eh?